Hey guys, so I'm starting off with the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette by Huda Beauty. Yeah, one of my favorite palettes. So I'm going with Sandalwood, and I am using the 220 Luxe Crease just for a transition, and I'm just blending that through. And then I am doing henna with the same thing. I'm just doing exactly the same thing with henna, as you can see in the inner and outer. And then we're going in with Bossy to darken it up, and we are using the 227 Luxe Soft Definer, and I am focusing on the outer and inner corner, as you can see. And then with Cocoa and Black Truffle, and with the 231 Luxe Petite Crease, that is a thinner brush and easy to work with, we are just using that for the inner and outer as well, and we are defining it more. Then we go with the 220 Luxe Crease Blend again, and we just blend everything out to make it all even. And then we go with Angelic in the inner corner to make a halo effect with the Wispy Lashes by Adele. Then we go on with MAC Well as well, and just line up my lips. And then we go in with Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick, and that is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.